This was crazy. We came in and the sun was shining, it was dry. We chose a place for the tent. We just had the basics done. Eric should secure the tent outside, and there's a thunder and it pours out of the sky. Well, I think,
totally
what
wet.
was it, like 10 minutes?
Yeah, 10 minutes.
He's totally wet. Yes. We were able to throw some of the things in the tent, so they are dry. The floor of the tent is a little wet because the wind blew so hard immediately. This one is like gone. And Eric took his full bag to get some dry clothes. One's fallen too, right at the end of the tent. Didn't come onto it. And these were standing up. And you see just behind these trees, there's a car. And it's this close.
Look.
This one next to us is gone. Maybe we can help him. There was no one in it. And there the tree branch broke. Ongelooflijk.
Zijn het tentje niet eens vastgezet in de grond, ja?
Hou die volgende ring op en ik heb
But we're lucky. We had another pitch, but we asked for this one, and the other one is in more trees. So everything's up and standing. So if the tree fell, just use it as a washing line. Oh, and you know what?
No.
This is the first campsite where they warned us for bears, because there's a bear family in this area. So we should lock up the food. We only have a bottle of peanut butter and it's closed and it's in a bag, and it's no problem, they said. But we first worried only for the bears. But we should be worried for the weather. He stuck his head in.
Die graven zichzelf ook in. That's nice.
He has a big tail, right?
Oh yeah.
Well, we'll leave him alone.
He moves a little bit.
Ooh. Nice.
That's like a dragon's tail.
Yeah.
I think it's a land turtle, not a water turtle.
So we were planning to do the laundry these days because we're staying a little longer in Thunder Bay. So we got our full bag, walked to the laundry, had our wet clothes on, and we changed our clothes here because we only had one set of clothes.
Naked in the laundry.
Naked in the laundry, and we put it in two machines. Normally we use one, but we had like two jeans and everything was dirty or wet. And we have to show you something. This is Terry Fox. He is famous for attempting to run across Canada to raise money and awareness for cancer, even though he himself lost one leg to cancer. When he was 18, he got diagnosed with bone cancer, but when he was 21, in 1980, he started the Marathon of Hope. So he tried to run a marathon every day, and in this way he started in St. John's, Newfoundland, and he ended up here in Thunder Bay, where he died at 22 years old, but in 143 days he ran more than 5,000 kilometers.
What also nice is this statue looking out over the Trans-Canada Highway, and that was the way he walked.
So we came to look if our stuff is ordered, and we just see FedEx coming in. What do you think, Eric?
Hopefully the part is there, but we're gonna ask right now. Maybe they can tell us something. You wait here, you walk with me.
I'll work with you.
Alrighty. The old Fort William, Thunder Bay. Well, one of the highlights. You can see here a piece of history, how the French and how the English people come into Canada and build a fort. Come, let's see inside what's going on here.
That is a nice pathway, huh?
Look at that.
Good day, everyone, and thank you for gathering to celebrate my arrival at Fort William. Better than when I last paddled away, almost 1 year ago. The winter has been unforgiving as ever, but I am pleased to announce it has been a successful season of trade in my department. I suppose that is all worth celebrating indeed. Although the rendezvous is largely a time for company business and work to be done, let us not forget it is also a time to celebrate the bonds we have made in this very unique land. I do suppose a gun salute is in order. Gun Commander, a salute to the resilience of the Northwest Company, to the weeks on end with those voyages.
All right, your job is to go forward and make sure.
I'm glad to be here at Fort William.
No one blocks our way.
Very good. Very amusing. Nolan, do ensure these tradesmen return to their duties with some alacrity.
So we'll have you do this to take out all the ribs, and then we'll have one.
Because I'm from Holland, I'm not every year here. So it's really beautiful.
Together and apart, switch hands, apart, together, and spin away.
It's dangerous when you have a fire.
Alright, thank you.
What did you think about Fort William?
Phenomenal. Oh, the joy with the artists there. It's a step back in history, good history, real history. You have to, if you go to Thunder Bay, you have to visit the old Fort William for sure.
Yeah, there was
Absolutely.
a real big group of actors
Yeah.
who played. Well, they actually didn't really play it, but they just
They are.
try to live like how they would, and they tell all about the craftsmanship. So there was one who made canoes
Yeah.
from birken
How life
trees.
was in 1800, what was it, 14 or 16?
1815, yeah.
1815, okay, so between 14 and 16, and they lived that way precisely.
Yeah.
All the props, everything was perfect.
And there was a piece with song and dance, and
very realistic.
we had a guide that toured us around, but then when he came like in the doctor's house,
Oh, yeah.
there was someone who told everything about the doctor's stuff.
You have to visit Old Fort William, Thunder Bay.
Yeah, really nice, really nice. The bike is totally okay, but we are still missing the right mirror. And now we learn that in Canada, and I think also America,
Footstep is not here.
the right mirror is not necessary. You only are legal if you have a left mirror. So the bike is being made. There's one thing they forgot to make the mirror, but that is no problem because we can get the mirror everywhere. But here everything's back again. And this one I have in my bag. So this is Jamie. We met on the campground and Jamie told us with other Jamie a lot about the First Nation.
Yes.
But we gave the sticker and now
We're going to put it on my car. Yes, by Bill Murray, which is
Bill
also a Canadian icon.
Mhm.
And Bill Murray is the only sticker I've allowed on my car.
Oh, really?
For 10 years. So your sticker is a big deal, and we're going to put it on
Thank
there.
you.
Yes. No, thank you. There it is.
I buy so good. But we found a new mirror at Canadian Tire in the section for biking. And Eric just
Make it fit.
mounted it, yeah.
And
It's great.
to be honest, it's a good mirror.